And we are live. Welcome, Internet. Today we are going to play with Pydantic's discriminated unions. I have not tested this out yet, and we are going to do this quite shortly, I hope. And if not, then, well, it's going to be my problem because I have limited time. So let's go for discriminated unions. And right in it, right sync. Oh, we are going to probably want right 10.3.11 and right sync. And while this is happening, okay, so what are discriminated unions? If we go to the docs, basically this is a feature stolen from Rust as closely as you can hope it will be in Python land, which obviously does not have discriminated unions natively. If that was the case, then we'd be very happy. But basically, it means that we can have a union which there is like some kind of signal in this example. You've got like the pet type property here that discriminates between the other types of objects that can represent that, like the other objects in that union. So we've got our discriminator, which is a property here, pet type, and we've got three different types that can be part of that upper model. So basically what we'd want is to see how that works and see where it fails, and let's do that quite quickly now. So PyCharm, let's just open that quickly. And what else do we have here? Do we need anything else? No, probably not. So yeah, new window, close the other one, and let's go. Right add Pydantic. This is a Pydantic 2 feature, and right sync. And let's figure out how do we actually use this API. So from Pydantic, import base model, class obj A. This is the base model, and we've got our type discriminator. So this is going to be a literal obj A, sure. Typing literal. And this has like properties that are like might be unrelated to other properties. Obj B is going to actually contain different properties, and let's call that our union. Let's not use the word union because it's a result word for the Python typing module. So some object going to be an annotated union of obj A and B. Let's use like the proper union of new Python. So obj A, obj B, and we've got a discriminator. How do we actually define this discriminator? So we can do that if it's a field of another base model, we can use that kind of discriminator. But if we'd like to use like the bare union without being a property of another model, we can have that like that. So we can say discriminator, which is another Pydantic object, and we with the type thing. So we can now maybe try to load that thing somehow. How do we do that? So given we've got our annotated model here, discriminated unions cannot be used with only single variant union cat. Yeah, okay, that's not a problem. We are not going to do that. Is it possible for us to load the unattached union? Yeah, with a type adapter. Yeah, okay. So let's actually have that, I think. Oh no, that's actually something different. Okay. So never mind. Let's have ourselves like a root model. So class um, um, wrapper, which is another base model. And we can just have some object. And this is actually going to be literally obj A or obj B equals to field with the discriminator. Pydantic field. And we don't need that alias. This is Copilot's doing, not mine. And now we can try to pass this thing. So let's go for object one is going to be wrapper. And we can try to load model parse. Is it parse? Don't, yeah, parse raw, parse file, parse object. Yeah, so we can pass object. Apparently that's deprecated. So if that's use model validate instead. That's what they do? Yeah, they do that. Okay, so let's use model validate then. Model validate, and that's the one we've got. And we've got O2, which validates the second one. And let's actually figure out. So we've got O1 and O2, but we can actually assert that is instance O1 object A and O1 object O2 object B. And if under name equals main, run that thing. And let's just run the script because we can do that. And it says Pydantic error model object A needs a discriminator dunder type. Not dunder. So which one does need is missing? So both of them have the dunder type here. Where's the discrimination error? So Pydantic user model object A needs a discriminator field or key. Interesting. So I'm pretty sure we've just done that. Obj A, B, C, D. Is that not how we're supposed to do that? Let's figure it out. Maybe it needs to be public and not hidden. So let's go with obj type instead of whatever that was. And let's give it here and state that all over the place. We run the script, and that's that. There we have it. We've got the discriminated union. So I hope you learned something new. I just had fun now checking that, and I'm really glad I learned that the fact that it does not support hidden properties and it only supports public properties and not private properties. And hopefully you will use that too, because this is like a really nice feature to steal from us and use that in Python. And you also get like type validation and all sorts of like really nice user-friendly stuff. Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.